Very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners. Welcome to the European Rundown for today, Monday the 25th of July. In terms of the overnight session, generally weaker Asian bourses were seen both Japan and China. This comes as over the weekend, real lack of progress seen in these latest talks in reference to the ongoing discussions for the US debt ceiling. This comes with just 9 days now to that looming August 2nd deadline in terms of them having to come to some kind of compromise or 11th hour agreement in order to save the prized AAA sovereign rating of the US. With a very light North American calendar today in terms of economic data, no doubt all eyes and ears both in today's session and throughout the week will be on any progress in those talks between House Speaker Boehner and President Obama. Elsewhere, one of the other major news stories came pre-open in Europe. That was for Moody's, who slashed the sovereign rating of Greece by a further 3 notches to a CA rating, also commenting on an orderly default. So it's only really S&P now we're waiting to hear from in terms of their interpretation of the second bailout of Greece. A little bit risk-averse trade in the various asset classes so far. Further widening seen in the peripheral 10-year bond yield spreads. That's also as we took on OLO supply out of Belgium. However, they went through relatively successfully. However, Italian bond auctions, they will take precedence on Thursday this week. Also, T-bill sales are also due from Spain tomorrow. In terms of the euro, that's holding up relatively well as the dollar has fluctuated somewhat so far this morning, and we're still trading around the 144 handle, which is an option expiry for later on in the New York cut today. In terms of the calendar, as mentioned, very quiet for the US, so all eyes and ears will be firmly on any further comments in reference to debt ceiling talks in the US. But for the time being, that's all from me here in London, so have yourself a fantastic trading day.